Alright. This will be the elevators at Garage A in East Economy Parking. At Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. They have reopened this garage after several months of it being closed due to COVID. It's pretty empty, so I don't think anyone's going to be getting on. I like this retro looking cab with the carpet walls. Let's see if we can go to 8. Alright, let's go to 1. Look at that, it has all the floors are in a different color. Garage A East. We're gonna get off at 8. Look at that, those glass doors. There it goes, and you can see inside the shaft of the other one there, and that will be it. Oh, there's a plane landing.